Well, this feels like I should do a video just on this. So, cup holder right here. It says pry the trim out and remove the rear screws. Well, I didn't find any. That piece of trim in there does not look like it comes out at all. Luckily, I'm looking in the bottom of here and I see this big thing. It looks like a 45 record fastener. The big slot in it. That's a big plastic removal screw. I don't see one. There's none on the other side. I started digging around in there. Somebody put the other one on the other side. There's two. They cover these big screws down at the bottom. Nothing in the manual about that. I haven't seen anybody say anything about that. So I kept prying up on this side and then it kept, I know something's holding it. Look at that. Piece of kick. Sure, it'd be nice if somebody mentioned that, huh? Well, here we go. That's the first little tidbit of information that does not seem to show up anywhere. I don't see any reason to pull that. What do we have here? The computer? You know what? I think I'm going to look in the manual about replacing the computer and see. That's what that is. Let's see, it discusses how to remove that panel. Just for fun. Let me do that.